It is time to kick off Thursday's birthday and anniversary celebration. And first up on our glorious list is Melina Heckert in Webb City, turning 6 years old today. Happy birthday to you, Melina.
All right, and Audrey Whitney is celebrating birthday number 6 as well today. Audrey is in Pittsburgh.
And we've got Kadian Westhoff in St. Paul. She's turning 8 years old today. A very happy birthday to you.
Randy Wixon celebrating birthday number 39 this year. Great picture there of Randy in Baxter Springs.
And we've got Billy Parrish in Crestline. He's pictured with his wife, Kathy, and she had a birthday on Tuesday. A very happy 65th birthday to you, Billy.
All right, and Donna Zillner turning 68 years old in Chanute. Happy birthday, Donna.
And then we've got this is a grand anniversary right here. Arthur and Bonnie Smith of Chanute celebrating their 60th year of wedded bliss. A very happy anniversary to you, Arthur and Bonnie.
All right, our list goes on. We've got Henry Moss celebrating along with Jeff Bieber in Joplin.
And we've got Richie Clarkson turning 71 in Fort Scott. And this comes from Jerry, your friend for 53 years. That is one heck of a friendship.
All right, and Shirley Peterman in Coffeyville. Happy birthday to you. And we've got one last anniversary on our list out in Columbus. John and Debbie Castle celebrating 49 years together.
All right, what a great list we have this morning. And I know